because split spindle, the handle doesn't operate on the inside because the outside, and the latch is the wrong way around. So right, all I've got here is an era that locked out. So basically the door's locked, like so, door's locked. So what they did, they turned the key, pulled the handle down and turned to release the latch, but it's jammed up. Even here I can't get the key out. It's all jammed around, do a full turn. Okay, and then you turn and lock. So we've got to replace the gearbox. So I have to lock it so I can do that. Right. There we go. Should we put right. So you got to look out. 45. Torques. There we go. One, 2, 3, 4, 1 in. Come on. 2. There we go, that's it. Three. Just done. It's all back in. One. 2. You know what, before I do more, let's just check it. Phone's going. Hello, locksmith. Hello. Oh. There's pocket door. Right. Not working. Okay, now let's get. I might do it. Right. Oh, this one a bit better. I know. Okay. See how. Let's get this to the screen. Right. At the moment, the handle, because split spindle, the handle doesn't operate on the inside because the outside, and the latch is the wrong way around. So we reverse the latch, and when you take this out, there's a little tiny screw in there. Yeah. Just turn it the other way up, and then let's take it all the way up. One full turn. Put the latch back in. There you go. Hold the latch back. Now, working correctly, the handle up. Yeah, that's locked. I'll get one turn. Okay. Up. Unlock. Just check how easy it is for the door shut. Perfect. From the outside. Right, so the door, lift the hand up. That's locked. Let's get in. One turn. We're down. That's it, you're in. Job done.